Mga kasingal, magandang araw sa lahat. Isa na namang special request ang ating kakantahin ngayon mula ito sa isa sa ating mga top fan at followers, si Sir Rico Garcia. Sabi niya, "Hello Brad, have a nice day. Pa-request po ng birthday song ni Victor Wood. Kahit anong kanta. Para kay Elina Garcia Manalo ng Santa Maria, Bawan, Batangas." Batangas siguro ito, Bats na nakalagay. Na magdaraos ng 80th birthday ngayong August 18 sa araw na ito. Happy birthday, Ma'am Elina Garcia Manalo. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Ingat palagi and regards to all of your family circle. Greetings from Rico Garcia family. Thank you so much. May the Lord bless and keep you. Okay. Itong sister ni Sir Rico Garcia ang nag-birthday ngayon. Ika 80th birthday. Happy birthday sa iyo, ma'am. At ang kakantahin nating awit birthday song kay Victor Wood. At ito na. Happy birthday, my darling.
Special day that my heart couldn't say just how much I do love you. Today, for it's your natal day, my heart wish and pray for your joy as I greet you. Happy birthday, my darling, and many, many more. Another year has passed. I love you even more. Your eyes I love to see. Your hand I love to touch. Your lips I love to kiss. I love you oh so very much. Tomorrow starts a new year, and memories could have waited. I want to say I love you, darling, happy birthday.
Ma'am Elina Garcia Manalo.
Tomorrow starts a new year, and memories could have waited. I want to say I love you, darling, happy birthday. I want to say I love you, darling, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, ma'am.